Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling exactly what the animator needs: a moon texture, a background layer, and a clean alpha mask. Once imported, you create a new project matching your output resolution and set frame rate to 24 or 30 to control motion smoothness. Next, place the background, then the moon layer above it, and finally the mask as a track matte. This order matters because the mask will define the visible moon area. Set interpolation to linear so initial motion behaves predictably. Now you animate the cover effect itself by keyframing moon position and scale across the timeline. Use ease in and ease out to avoid mechanical starts and stops. Once the moon moves, animate the mask's feather and opacity so the visible edge softens and the cover reveals progressively. For realism, add minor rotation and a slow parallax shift to the background so the scene breathes. Make sure to preview in a loop at half speed to catch timing issues and adjust keyframes until the motion reads as organic. When you finish, set your export to H.264 with an 8 to 12 Mbps target bitrate and a 2-second keyframe interval for smooth playback on most platforms. Render a short test clip first. If you see edge jitter, increase mask feather, enable motion blur, or switch interpolation to optical flow to reduce strobing. If artifacts persist, render a lossless PNG sequence and encode in a dedicated compressor. Finally, verify color and scale on the target device to ensure the cover effect reads correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.